Alright, so picture this, you are diving into the world of conversational AI with Microsoft Azure, right? It's like having a backstage pass to see how AI chats, learns, and becomes an integral part of tech services. Now, Azure offers this cool suite called Azure AI Fundamentals that's perfect for understanding and deploying conversational AI solutions right from this platform. Let's chat about it, shall we? As of Microsoft, conversational AI is this incredible way to keep the customer service ball rolling even when no one's around, or to make business operations super efficient. You have bot assistants, voice-activated systems, and interactive text channels doing a whole lot more than just replying. They're learning, understanding intent, context, and even the nuances of human speech. And guess what? Microsoft Azure has this vast armory of AI tools tailored specifically for this domain. Azure AI Fundamentals gives you a tour down the conversational road, starting from setting up the foundational tech to deploying your AI chatbot or voice assistant, ensuring they speak the natural language dialect you are aiming for. We dive into architecture, making sure the technology stack is stable and scalable. Plus, we've also got Azure's AI services like Louise and Q&A Maker that give your AI character some real smarts and a ton of knowledge without you sweating over data management. When it's time to tackle the Azure Cognitive Services, which feels like equipping your AI with a brain, you are going to learn how to infuse it with understanding semantics, or making sure it gets its facts straight. From there, we get into the nitty-gritty of configuring intents and dialogue flows. Azure AI is this incredible playground, with AI fundamentals being the compass that points the way. But let's not forget the Azure Bot Service Container, which is essentially your AI's backstage pass to deploy in apps like Skype for Business, bots in web chat services, the works. You even delve